Welcome to our journey on the stunning MSC Seashore. We sailed on a 4-day cruise visiting MSC's private island, Ocean Key, and the vibrant city of Nassau, Bahamas. In this video, we embark on a room tour of our Aurea suite that featured a wonderful expanded balcony. We hope you enjoy this first video of our series on the MSC Seashore. Hi everyone, I'm Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and today I'm going to give you a room tour of an Aurea suite, suite number 9256 on the MSC Seashore. When you first walk into your cabin, on the right side when you walk in, you will see these hooks, great for hanging your lanyards, your wet swimsuits, whatever you need, and of course on your door is your muster information. Beside the door you have a key slot that you have to put your room key in to keep the lights on. And you also have these buttons to let your room steward know that you do not want to be disturbed, or if you like to have your room made up. And next we're going to look at the bathroom. The shower is a little bit small, but it'll work. There is shampoo and body wash. There's also a shower head that's removable. And there's even a little area down here that you can prop your foot, you ladies that want to shave your legs in the shower. And you have your toilet, and there's an area up here that holds your towels. And I really like that they have these nice shelves right here to put your hygiene items. And you have these two cups that will hold your toothbrushes. And also a tip is to make sure you ask for washcloths because they don't naturally put them in your cabin, but they'll bring them to you. There's a corner sink, and I really do like that they have hand soap, liquid hand soap. Outside the bathroom you do have a thermostat. Just press it, your cooler or warmer. Now to get to your closet in this room, the bed is near your closet, so it is a tight little squeeze, but we're going to make it work. But beside the bed, on this side, is a light switch and a little bedside table with some room for storage. And you also have these lights with a reading light. And then a bigger light. So I'm going to sit on the bed to show you this closet. It's the easiest way to do it. So we do have plenty of hangers. We are on a 4-day cruise. So with the Aurea suite, you do get you get bathrobes, and they've also put some slippers down here, which we just haven't unpacked and taken care of that yet. So this side of the closet, we put our carry-on luggage right there. Has an area for your shoe storage, whatever you want on here, and of course your clothes, and there's some storage at the top. And this side of the closet has shelves. It also has a safe that you just create a PIN code to put in to store your valuables. More shelves, and then you have some drawers. Across from your bed you have a huge mirror. You could both stand there and check out how you're gonna look for the night. And then of course you have your bed. I believe this is a king size bed, and if you want two twins they can separate them. And then on the bed they've given us our towels for the beach and pool. And then on this side of the bed you have the same bedside table, but the good thing about this side of the bed is that you have a phone charger to charge your phone or whatever else you need to charge by USB, and you also have the same lights. The cabin has a really large couch, which I like. I believe that some of the couches will fold out to a bed. You know, it's just two of us, so we're not even gonna have to worry about that. And of course some sea life decor. And then the vanity area has some shelves right here, of course your trash can, a little shelf here if you want to put your daily events, paperwork, or anything like that on there. It has a very large, let me get back, television. Hello. Then there's more drawers here, and even has this really deep drawer. If you want to know what the outlet situation looks like, this is it right here. 2 regular outlets with 2 USBs, and then European outlets. We bought a converter for that, or adapter for that. That's your outlet situation for the entire cabin. You have a phone, and of course another large mirror, and you have these nice 3 large shelves right here by the vanity area, which are perfect for us ladies that want to put our things that we need to get pretty with. There's an ice bucket and 2 glasses as well. In the vanity area there is a hair dryer in this drawer right here. And for the vanity you have, it looks like 2 stools, a large one and a little one. Actually the large one could be a table that if you want to like have room service or something like that in your room, so that can pull out and sit in front of the couch, and then you have a stool underneath it for getting ready for the night. And in this cabinet is a mini bar, and it's stocked, but you do have to pay for it, and there's a price list in here. That Prosecco is a gift for us being Aurea, but all the other items you have to pay for. Now let's go outside and see what this balcony looks like. It's the best part of the cabin, I think. So this has the large extended balcony. So you have 2 chairs, a small table or footstool, and then 2 lounge chairs. So let's go outside and look at what it looks like from your view. We are in Port Canaveral right now. So that is a tour of room 9256 on the MSC Seashore, and this is an Aurea suite. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we invite you to do so. And if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. And as we like to say, don't forget to journey on. Bye. If you like this video, check out the link to the left where we give you a full playlist of our trip to Disneyland in beautiful Anaheim, California.